Just a few minutes thing, a few hours thing.
Hey, what's up, guys? And in this video, we are going to learn about WebWid. In this particular video, we will cover the basics, that what is WebWid and what does it do. So, what basically WebWid do is create videos from your content. So, where do you get the content? Now, there are three options. You can upload your own content or get the content from article archives. There are millions of articles right in the archives, so you just have to give a keyword and it will make a video for that. Or you can get the content from any website. Just put the article link and it will grab that link and get the content of that article on that link. So let's get started. Now this is the login page. All you gotta do is enter your email and your password and hit login. Once you're in the WebWid, you can see there are options to search content from article archives, upload from PC, and article. It also shows your saved videos and search history, whatever you have searched. And if you want to see the training videos, you can go ahead and hit this button and it will take you to training video page. So this is the overview of WebWid. In the next video, we will learn how to get the content from the article archives. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn that how to get content from article archives, upload from PC and or from any website and convert them into amazing videos. So let's get started. All you gotta do is enter your keyword for the article you want. Like for game, I will hit the game and it will search over the web and get you the article for game from the archives. So you can see there are plenty of articles you can choose from. You can adjust the slide length, that how many slides of this article do you want to make. Like if I have, whoa, that's a long article, so I'm just gonna make 10 slides out of this and hit the make video button, and it will take you to the slide editing menu. Okay, you are here in the slide editing menu. You can see the article has been distributed into slides neatly. There is a title, there is slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and each slide can be adjusted by its time, for how long you want a slide to stay on the video. For example, if I want it to be a little longer, so I'll keep it 7. And if I want this content is loads, so I want it for the 10 seconds, so I'll keep it 10. Now I can upload images from Pixabay or from website address or directly from an image URL, but let's say we go ahead and search Pixabay. You can add multiple images to any slide, or you can just choose one image for a slide. So let me show you how. For example, if I want 4 images for this slide, and for this slide I just need 1 image, and let's say I need 3 images for this slide. This is how you can add your images. Just simply hit the upload images button, select the images you want. You can add only 4 images. You can move them around by these arrows, or you can delete them. If the space is full, you have to delete the one and add another image for that. So that's it, and I want it to be 10 seconds. And I want this to be 7 and this to be 15. Okay, rest is good. So once you're done, go to the bottom and you can see 3 buttons. Save project. You can save this project to use later on. Let's say my test project. Now the project has been saved. So that's it. That's how you can add the project into your saved videos. After you're done, just hit the done and proceed button and it will take you to the final stage, and this we will cover in the next video, so stay tuned. Okay, so we were ready to export the video, and now it's time to select a template and add your music file. So let's just go ahead and add a music file to it. As you can see, the music file has been added and it's playing for you. You can see. Hey, welcome back guys. In the last video we saw that how to get the article from the archives and make a video out of that. And in this video we will see how to get the article from website or upload your own content, and the rest of the steps are same as in the video before. So I will just tell you how to get the article from website or upload your content. So let's begin. Hit the article from website and enter the article link here. I have a article link. Let me just grab it. Here is a link. I have just pasted the article link here, and now it's time to search the website. Hit the search website button and it will go over that link and grab that article for you. You can see you can preview the article. It's completely here. You can read it all and select the number of slides you want. I will make 10 slides of this and hit the make video button, and it will also grab the first image of this article that was on this link, and it will add it into the slide menu right here. So this is the article. The rest step is the same. You can move around the article from these buttons. You can delete any slide, you can duplicate any slide. Similarly, you can preview the article and save the project and export it and share it, whatever. That all has been explained in the previous video of exporting video from article archives. So that's it. And for the upload from PC, you can add your txt file. Just hit the txt select button and add your txt file. It will automatically add that, convert it into the slides, and hence making a video out of that. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video, where we will talk about how to unblock your pop-ups from your browser. Okay, so to enable the pop-ups, all you gotta do is hit this 3 circles right here on the right top of the Chrome. Now this works only on Chrome, so we recommend using Chrome for ReviVid. So once you're here, click this button, go to the settings menu, right, the third last setting menu, go to the bottom and hit advanced, go to the content settings, control what information and website can use, what content they can show you. Now it will show you what do you want to adjust. Now hit the pop-ups. Now before you have unblocked your pop-ups, this will look like this, but what you have to do is hit this add button and copy this link just up till .com and paste it right here, the domain actually, and hit add. Now this will allow the exception to unblock the pop-ups for ReviVid. Now this is completely safe. We are not asking you to unblock all the pop-ups, just for this particular site. So that's it. If you have any trouble, you can always contact us on our support link right here. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed WebVid, and see you the next time.
Do you own a business? Need to advertise a product? Maybe explain a concept? Well, you've come to the right place. We can help you with that.
She stood and picked his fucking meds up.